It's now 5:06. I was feeling for all those kids out there heading to the bus stop yesterday because it was so humid out there, even at 6 o'clock in the morning.
And shout out to you, Caitlin, the real MVP. The hair, everything was still looking
great.
Man,
there was a lot of hairspray going on.
Despite you being out there for 2 hours.
There was a lot of hairspray, but you needed it. It was just so humid.
Yeah, absolutely. And it's going to be that way through most of the month of August. So as kids are headed back to school, it's just a good reminder that we are still in summertime in the weather books, even though kids are headed back. 94 is what we did yesterday for the first day of school for many here in Central Georgia, which is actually right on average for any given August 1st. 105 was the record yesterday, set back in 1986. Waking up looking live across downtown Macon this morning to temperatures in the 70s, fairly similar to where we were yesterday. 73 in Macon, 75 in Warner Robins, and 75 in Milledgeville at this hour. Now, the radar picture across Central Georgia is mostly quiet. However, if you look over towards the Alabama state line, over towards Troup and Heard County, starting to see a few showers come across the state line there. We actually did have a few sprinkles in and around downtown Macon this morning as well. Temperatures there in the 70s, 74 in Cochrane, 70 in Eastman, and 73 in Dublin. A fairly quiet morning across the southeast, just a few showers over into South Carolina. Still hanging on to 80 degrees in Charleston and Houston, still 86 in Dallas, Texas this morning. So let's get into Future View. As we head through the morning hours, a few showers will be possible. Notice that there as we head towards the noon hour. Then once we get to the noon hour, I think that's when we develop some showers and storms. The best chance of rain today is going to be areas to the south and to the west, say near Butler, Montezuma as you get down towards Americus. But everybody has the chance for rain today. Overall, about a 30% chance. Anything we do see, begin to go to bed through the overnight hours, maybe hanging on to 1 or 2 showers through the overnight hours. As we wake up on your Wednesday morning, something similar to what we're seeing today. And then for Wednesday afternoon, I don't think we have as high of a rain chance, but still locally heavy downpours, frequent lightning. The usual summertime stuff will be in the picture for the day Wednesday. And then we'll do something similar again on Thursday. Notice not quite as many showers as even as we saw on Wednesday. The temperatures stack up like this: 93 today, 94 tomorrow, and we're going to be generally speaking in the mid-90s as we head through the remainder of the week. And as we head through the remainder of the month, we will be losing daylight here in Central Georgia. Check this out. Today, we have about 13 hours and 45 minutes of daylight, and 4 weeks from now, so by the end of the month, we're talking about 12 hours and 53 minutes. So losing almost 45 minutes of daylight here over the next month or so. Just a reminder that even though it's hot outside, fall is coming. It has to arrive one way or another. 30% chance of rain today, 93 going to be the high temperature. Sunrise is at 6:49 this morning. The heat index values, again, approaching the triple digits again today, beginning right around 3 p.m., lasting for a handful of hours, but talking about the upper 90s at least from 1 until about 6 p.m. tonight here in Central Georgia. Then for tonight, cooling down to 73. Could see a few lingering showers out there. Sunset will be at 8:33 tonight. Here comes the 7-day forecast. More of the same across Central Georgia. High temperatures in the mid-90s each and every day. But again, the humidity is going to be hanging around, making it feel like the triple-digit mark as we get into each day over the next 7 days. Generally speaking, about a 20 to 30% chance of rain. And again, if you get one of these downpours, it could be locally heavy with maybe some frequent lightning.